How scientists stumble on their inventions. What do a barking dog, a cheese-loving mosquito, and a levitating frog all have in common? Well, in one way or another, they've all provoked the curiosity of scientists at an early stage of their research. All these projects won an alternative Nobel Prize, known as the Ig Nobel Prize, a fun event laughing at the seemingly trivial discoveries made by scientists who were apparently just messing about in a lab, but some of which led to the most improbable inventions. Let's listen to the dog first. Call him Fido if you like. Fido, what do you want? Woof, woof. Any the wiser? No, neither am I. The mysteries of Fido's different barks and what they might mean he is asking for were studied by Japanese researchers, recipients of the Ig Nobel Prize. They wired up dogs like Fido to a microphone and analysed their sounds compared to thousands of other dog barks stored in a handheld device. The result was a dog-to-human translator, or canine emotion analyzer, which helps Fido's master finally understand what Fido wants, so he can provide him with it, and then the dog will stop barking. Then there was the case of the scientists who showed that the mosquito, Anopheles gambiae, is attracted as much to the smell of Limburger cheese as it is to human feet. Another winner of the alternative Ig Nobel Prize. A trivial piece of research? The answer turns out to be no. Anopheles gambiae happen to transmit malaria. Now, traps baited with cheese are placed in some locations in Africa to help ward off the disease. Now for the special case of André Gime, who discovered he could make a frog levitate using magnets. The experiment won him an Ig Nobel Prize too. But what possible use could this be to human progress? Professor Gime made the frog levitate using a phenomenon called diamagnetism, the ability of an object to create a magnetic field in opposition to an externally applied magnetic field. This discovery later led him and Konstantin Nozovalov, a colleague at the University of Manchester in England, to find another diamagnetic material, graphene, which won him the real Nobel Prize for physics. Graphene is the strongest material on the planet and a superconductor of heat and electricity. It has many applications. For example, smartphone manufacturers employ graphene cooling film in their devices so they don't overheat when used by enthusiastic gamers. Yes, this is the story of how a levitating frog helped a wild-eyed gamer stay up all night to win his latest trophy. Scientists come up with the craziest ideas.